Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, my little cousin will show you guys how he makes his eggs on toast. The first thing he will do is mix a few eggs together and add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And then he would add in about 3 tablespoons of his fried garlic. And then he mixed them up really well. In a medium-sized pan, he poured in 1 tablespoon of oil. And he turned on the heat to medium to heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated, he add in the eggs. He will cook the eggs until it's not runny anymore, about 2 to 3 minutes each side. The eggs are cooked and ready to be placed on top of the toast. It's all done and ready to eat. Thanks to my cousin for making this delicious dish and sharing the recipe with us. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.